Let me show you how to build the perfect hero section with individual hover animations on separate text elements. Let's break it down. Alright, so I've gone ahead and set up a very simple header with a logo, navigation, and CTA. I'll first set our section to fit to screen and change the background to light gray. Then I'll add in some text, change the font to Axiform bold, bump up the size, set the responsive behavior to hug, and position it accordingly. Let's duplicate it down and this time just write in singular words. The reason that we're doing this is so later we can come back and individually adjust each text element. Let's stack these horizontally and then repeat that for this last row and then stack everything vertically. Then change branding, design, and product system to a lighter gray color. And finally, let's add in some subtext and a button for good measure. That's all the text we're gonna need. So now let's add in some images. Each hoverable word, in this case, branding, design, and product systems, will each have about 5 to 6 visuals that all pop out on hover. For branding, I'll add in a few logos and position them in their final position with a bit of rotation to give them some perceived motion. Then grabbing the branding text, let's come into the animation tab and add in a custom animation. Here, I'll change the text color to blue and dial up the rotation ever so slightly. Then I'll add in another hover effect, but this time select our entire section and create a custom animation. Importantly, make sure to switch over to the initial state, and then we can drag our image towards the center, changing the rotation and reducing the opacity to 0% for all of our images. And when we do hover on the text, the logos seemingly pop out from it. I'll go ahead and repeat this process with the design text. First, adding our images scattered around the text with rotation. I'll then create a custom animation to change the color to purple, bump the rotation up before adding in another custom animation for the section, making sure to switch to initial state before dragging each image to the center, changing the rotation, and dropping the opacity. Doing the exact same thing for product design rounds out this hero section and gives you everything you'll need to be able to build this interactive hero section on any website. Want to see more videos like this? Check out another tutorial.